Good morning everybody and welcome to Doncaster Motorcycles YouTube channel. This morning I have got the first job of the day is an SV650 chain and sprocket replacement. Pretty standard stuff. I know you guys like to see the transformation. So there's the before.
Yes, I grind the heads off the pins. Why? Because it puts less stress on the tool I use, therefore making the tool last much longer and my life a little easier. Here we have a broken stud that was the clutch actuator mounting bolt, but I'll take care of that little issue later. So fresh and so clean. New rivet link on, grease up the O-rings. Always make sure the writing is the correct way around. Pressing the link plate into place. A visual to show the original pin diameter. Here I am riveting the pin. And the pin diameter after riveting. Sexy Suzuki.
So we have the chain sprockets are now been fitted. Gone with the DID 525 ZVM-X. Fantastic chain. The JT sprockets, you saw the pictures of me riveting the link up. All important stuff that. So it was just a case of building it back up. Got to take care of this little issue here. Pretty straightforward stuff. And then get it all bolted up. So the trick is to be good with the drill. Have good drill bits. And drill dead centre. I'll take that out with another drill, next size up, and then I'll be able to run the tap through it, and then we'll have the threads back, restored and ready for a fresh bolt.
Drilled out now, running the 6x1 tap through it. Using the Bulldog BDX to clean all the swarf off. Looking fresh!
Now we have it, you see. Drilled and rethreaded. Like brand new. The doctor's surgery is always open. Unless, of course, it's not. There you go, all done and dusted. Ready for home. Look at Bodie. Alright mate, just chilling. Looks loads better, it'll pull loads better. Smoother. Very nice.